Asteroids, The Vermin of the Sky by Kylie Banker, Jacopo de Rossi, Kincaid Human, and Jennifer Weinholt. First referred to as the vermin of the skies, asteroids were considered an annoyance getting in the way of real astronomy. Previously, asteroids were not understood. Scientists once thought asteroids to be remnants of an exploded planet. Today we have a better picture of what happened. It all started with the formation of our solar system. Before the planets and sun we have today, our solar system was one pocket of a huge cloud of gas, dust, and ice. As gravity pulled a pocket of the cloud together, forming larger and larger chunks of ice and dust in a disk around the sun, planetesimals formed, the building block of our planets. In the inner solar system, ice could not form, leaving planetesimals made of rock and metal. These rocky planetesimals grew and grew through random collision, until some grew large enough to attract others through the force of gravity. Most of them, however, lacked the mass to pull themselves into spherical shapes, leaving them jagged, irregular, and oblong. However, some of them kept accreting more and more planetesimals until they were able to gain a mass large enough for gravity to induce a spherical shape. An example of these large asteroids is Sirius, which was once actually promoted to the status of dwarf planet. Between Jupiter and Mars lie around 1.9 million asteroids, most of which are less than a kilometer wide, but range from 10 meters to 530 kilometers in diameter. With the gravitational presence of Jupiter, our largest planet, these planetesimals were kept from forming into a planet, leaving the asteroid belt. Since its origin, the belt has thinned out, with asteroids thrown out of the belt by gravitational encounters. Another group of asteroids can be found in the orbits of planets, especially large planets. These asteroids stay in two groups, one in front of the planet and one behind at the L4 and L5 Lagrangian points. At these points, the gravity from the planet and the sun are perfectly balanced to keep objects in orbit along with the planet. These asteroids formed from planetesimals that were originally near the planets and got captured at these 2 points. Jupiter has more Trojan asteroids than any other planets, and all Trojan asteroids in the solar system could be as numerous as those in the asteroid belt. There are 3 different types of asteroids that make up the asteroid belt. The first of the asteroids are the S-types. These are located in the inner part of the asteroid belt. Commonly, they are referred to as the stony asteroids because they are made of silicate materials and nickel iron. Second, the M-types of asteroids are found in the middle region of the asteroid belt. They are metallic looking and are made of nickel and iron. Finally, the most common type of asteroid are the C-types of asteroids. The C-type of asteroid was formed furthest from the sun, where it is cold enough for carbon components to condense at around 3 astronomical units. Because they were not altered as much by the sun, they are believed to be the most ancient asteroid. They consist of clay, silicate rocks, and water. At the start of our solar system, there were many more asteroids than we have today. For the first 600 million years, the larger objects in our solar system were pelted by asteroids and comets. This bombardment may have even delayed the development of life on Earth. Since then, the impacts have slowed, but still continue. 65 million years ago, a 10-kilometer asteroid hit the Earth, leaving a crater of 180 kilometers across. The debris caused the Earth's surface to heat immensely for hours, then block sunlight for weeks, causing the extinction of dinosaurs and altering the evolution of life on Earth. Recently, a White House document reported that there is a real risk of catastrophic asteroid or comet impacts. Currently, we don't have a reliable solution of avoiding one of these impacts, leaving us, the vermin of the ground, vulnerable to extinction.